Moshi Monster fans. Today I got 3 original packets and I'm gonna open them. So yeah. So let's see. This one I feel it like a glump, or I'm sure it's a glump, and the other one I don't really know. So let's get a pair of scissors. So yeah, I said I got a glump and somewhere else, but I'm not really sure. I got the code card is Tiki, and the code at the back can take it. Got Tiki. Then I got a Fifi and Herman crabs, who I already have mixed pack. She's like Penny and Cherry Bomb. I got Gabby. Here's a code card. I got Gabby and Jeepers, so I already have them both. The last pack. No, Penny, I'm sure. Please be Penny. I really need him. I got code card. Is he the I got Penny, so you can see, and Cutie Pie. So thanks for watching. Bye.